morning. Today is Monday, February 3rd. Hope everyone enjoyed their weekend. And I am live with you now, trading the E-Mini S&P 500, of course, the March contract. And we've seen a pretty big sell-off this morning, right? Nice sell-off, nice short trade up in here. But now I believe we've hit a short-term bottom, and I think we're going to see a rally up into or close to that blue action zone. Very rare. It's very rare that you see the market pull this far away from the blue action zone without it at least coming back to the right. So kind of like mean reversion, you would expect the market to come back. When you, again, especially when you pull this far away from that blue action zone. So I'm expecting a rally up into this area in here. Okay, and again, a relatively small position. We've got 4 contracts on right now, and we're starting to rally up a little bit here. And again, the initial stop on this trade, right? Let's see, the entry was right in here. Okay, we're looking for the market to pull back up into this area, at least to that lower end of the blue action zone, up at about 1764. Okay, we're at 61 right now. We've just broken up through this little, what I like to call a little ledge low, right? We put in a bottom right here, the low on that bar, and then we consolidated quite a bit in here. Look at this. Really consolidated. Now we've broken out of that consolidation where now, literally, I want to see where this bar closes. Then we can bring that stop up. Remember, the initial catastrophic stop was below the low of the day, just risking a couple points here. Looking for the market to move, I would say, again, 1763 3/4 right in here, right below the 1764, even though I'm expecting the market to come back up into that blue action zone, okay? So I want to see where this bar closes, and then we can go ahead and move that stop up to below this bar's low and be really tight on it. As you can see, we're up about 250, so not a whole lot. I'm going to pause the video because I don't want it to be too long today, so let's just see what happens here. All right, market's rallying nicely here. Again, and at the close of each bar, these values do change. And looking at this right now, we're looking at about 60. I'm going to go 63. Like 63 1/4 is where I'm looking for. 63 1/4. So let me just, I'm going to just play with market orders here. Really simple. Let's see, look at that. Okay. All right. Looking to sell for. So that takes no time at all. So let's just watch this a little closer here. See if we can bust up through the last 3-minute bar's high. That high is 62 even. Let's see if we can break up through 62. 61 3/4, 62. There we go. 62 1/4. Here we go. We busted through that. So we are looking again about 63 1/4. So we're about a point from there. Here we go. 62 3/4. Here we go. I am just going to start off the morning and sell it into some strength here. Sell 4.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Out at 62. Look at that. So let's. All right. So nice little trade, right? Nice little trade to the long side here. As you can see, we closed that out for $550 right there. Bought it right in here. Again, the market sold off nicely this morning, right? Really pulled away from that blue action zone, so you're expecting that rubber band effect. You're expecting the market to rally up. The risk on this trade was very small. Our initial catastrophic stop was right below the lows of the day. Market busted up through that and did exactly what we thought the market would do. Okay, let's take a look at this. Just really quick. We're looking for the market to come up minimum to the lower end of that blue action zone, which it did. Look at the market ran up to that 63 1/4. That's where we're looking. 63 1/4. We're back down to 60, 62 even right there. So just a nice little trade. Made $550 on that trade. See that? Okay. So let's just take a look at this. And again, the market opened up this morning, rallied up into the blue action zone right in here. Right. This is where it opened. Right there. Right, that's a beautiful area to look to short the market. But again, the one you saw was, you know, a bottom formation set up beautiful, at least for the short term. Bounced up and went exactly to our profit target there. So not a bad trade. If you've got any questions, just let me know. Be back with you tomorrow. Bye.